Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Ethereum's price chart, and there's a chance that in the next 24 hours, this move on the upside is going to continue a little bit more. Why? Because seems like right now, at least in like very short term, we are in an ascending channel. There we go. And well, okay, makes sense to expect maybe yet another move up in order to reach to about the higher band of the channel around, let's say, $4,370, meaning from here we can expect, let's say, like a 2% move on the upside. But overall, in my view, this is most likely going to be a correction structure, and after it's over, we may see another move down in ETH. Why is that? I have a couple of reasons for it. Number one, let's just go around here. You see, whenever you are having a couple of lows very close together, around the lows, a lot of short-term amateur traders are going to open some long positions in hope that we get a beautiful move up, and most of them do end up putting their stops under the lows, and the price unfortunately is not really going to cooperate with them. So you may see in like very short term a bounce, but then probably a move down in order to gather all the liquidity that is sitting under the lows. Now, why is this so important? Because I think in Ethereum, we are having sort of kind of a similar situation. So let's just take this object. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lows, and maybe even 9 lows are very close together. So I'm gonna say, look, under here, probably we are having a decent amount of liquidity. And as a result of that, you can expect maybe after a short-term bounce, a move down in order to clear all the lows, and probably I'm gonna say go a bit lower than that, maybe to about this region around $4,000. But then we should expect a decent bounce. But for now, let's not jump into those kinds of conclusions. Let's focus on the current move up and then a continuation of this phase on the downside. And here is a very important point. You see, in terms of Elliott's waves, if you want to say that we have hit our final low around here, I don't know, let's say this is like a very important support area. Okay, absolutely fair enough. Then show me off of the lowest low, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up in order for me to sort of kind of flip bullish. But let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And first question, which one of these things are the lowest low? It is this one right in here. And okay, I am able to tell you that, look, this is, excuse me, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave followed by a correction down, probably to about this point. But then after it, we are having another 5 wave on the upside, and then a rather strong move down, as you can see, in order to take this low. Now, if you want to say that maybe we are having on a higher degree an A, B, C in form of a flat and then another 5 wave up, you know what? That's absolutely fair enough, because even if you want to go according to this count, it's not really going to change a whole lot. Why is that? Because one way or the other, in this specific phase down in Ethereum, we took all the lows, and from my POV, now finding a complete impulse starting from the lowest low is like extremely challenging, and odds are these are the subwaves for an A, B, C zigzag, suggesting off of the lowest low we are having a correction up, and overall probably our move down is not over yet. So for now, please let's manage our expectations, and maybe after a short-term bounce expect yet another move on the downside. But overall, I promise you it's not really going to be a bad sign. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Ethereum. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.